Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As a mom, I am always looking for activities that are educational, engaging and don't involve screen. So when I come across the Einstein box Earth and Crystal kit, I was really curious to see if it could actually keep my child interested while helping them learn. Today we are unboxing it together and try it out. Let's open the box and see what's inside. And first impression, the packaging is colorful, attractive and very kids friendly. Everything is neatly organized, which I really appreciate as a parent. Inside you will find experiment material, crystal glowing appliances, activity guides and easy to follow instruction. That instruction booklet is simple and well organized, making it easy for both kids and parent to understand. What I like is that everything needed for the activities include in the box, so you don't have to run around collecting extra material. My child was immediately excited to explore all the different component and couldn't wait to get started with the crystal growing experiment. After trying it out, I can honestly say that this kit makes science feel like an adventure. Instead of just reading about earth science, kids get to experience it through hand-on activity and experiment. The crystal glowing activity was definitely the highlight for us. Watching the crystal from over time made my child excited and curious to learn more about how science work. What impressed me most is how the kit encourages observation, patience and problem solving skill, while still feeling like playtime. As a parent, I also love that it's a screen free activity. It's a great way to keep kid engaged, learning and have fun without relying on phone, tablet and television. The instructions are beginners friendly, so even younger children can enjoy the activity with a little supervision. And overall it's educational, interactive and a wonderful way to introduce children to science in a fun and memorable way. So guys, if you are looking for a gift or an activity that combines learning with fun, I definitely recommended checking out the Einstein box and Earth and Crystal kit. Have your kids tried science kit before? Let me know in the comment below. And if you would like the link to this kit, comment link. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more honest mom review and fun kids activity. See you in the next video guys. If you want to purchase this product, then link is in description box, you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, thank you for watching my video.